Google Fi, a phone plan by Google. It's easy to switch to Fi from the comfort.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
what's going on, guys? Sorry for for some reason my stream was messed up, like the overlays and shit like that. So, welcome back. Alright, so, we're currently looking at a few other stuff. So, right now, you know, I'm gonna trade on S&P 500 at the current moment. It's falling down on the 1 minute, so currently what it looks like, the trade frame, this is how it looks like. That's how it will look like, my trade frame that I'm in. So, yes sir. So I'm about like almost 1 hour right now. So once that happens, I'll take some profit. I have my locks up for break even, so I can't lose on this trade anyway. So basically, right now it's just a science experiment, as you would say. So I'm not really, you know, too worried about it. But yeah, so yeah, that's currently what I'm looking at, S&P 500. We're also looking at GJ for possible maybe like a continuation toward the upside. I do like the level that we're off from over here, off that 50 EMA. So we'll see what we do there. Alright, so currently, like on GJ, go right here, you can see that's still in the Asian range, so it's been really choppy. Liquid Fish is still holding the buy zone, so that's what I still like about it. And also, look at this hook that we're seeing right now with it. Like, look at that hook. Now that's not like a freaking like signal saying, okay, buy it. You know, it's gonna go freaking through the roof, but it's definitely like kind of a confirmation to me whenever I see a liquid 50 like this, kind of curling up. That means, you know, momentum it's trying to start picking up again. So, and it's Asian, it's about to be a New York session. So, once the market opens in about less than 30 minutes, we should see some momentum hitting it. So, with that being said, you know, we could see GJ continue higher toward the R1 pivot, or you know, the high of ADR. So yeah, that's currently what I'm looking at on GJ. I like how the MACD is starting to push up again, from being, you know, kind of winter bearish oversold to now coming up again through the EMA 5. It's bouncing off the Bollinger Band mean, so we'll see if it bounces back again and continue going higher. So I like that. I like that confirmation as well. RSI looks like, you know, on the TDI, it looks like it's falling, so that's something I don't like, where like the RSI looks like it's trying to fall.
Eventually, I found out about the Google IT certificate.
And so yeah, that's kind of my idea. Maybe kind of a push higher for today. The level that I'll be trading it to will be probably toward the pivot or ADR. But it's definitely been kind of ranging inside this Asian range right over here, so that's something to be careful with, definitely. So you definitely have to be careful with it. So I wouldn't want to trade an A1 on this, just because, you know, it's easy to get chopped around with an A1 counter formation, unless it's the counter formation is out for the new high of day, or for the new high of day, or if it's like coming out to a breakout around like right over here, then I would take that. But at the same time, it's just it's just been choppy with these candlesticks on the 15 minutes. So I would probably want to take my entry on the 1 minute. So I'll probably try scalping it just because it is choppy, so I don't want to get chopped around too much into it. Holding this piece and then getting chopped around, holding a piece and then getting chopped around. So kind of my priority on GJ today would be scalping it. So I definitely got to put that in my plan for today. GJ starting to fall right now. Fuck, my eyes hurt. I slept in with my contacts and that freaking hurts. Alright, so yeah, currently in Forex, that's the only thing I'm looking at. I know Austin pointed out that we could kind of see like a push higher on Euro USD off the 50 EMA. I just don't like it because of the swap in liquid 50. And I didn't see any confirmations on the MACD or anything like that, so I didn't like that personally. So like the only kind of idea, the only Forex pair that I would want to trade today would be JP, JPY. Everything else, like I know GCAD looks like it's off a level too. But again, like it's just swapping with the 50 now. I know I was looking at GP CHF, but just basically went all the way down to the daily pivot. So maybe with this daily pivot and liquid 50 still being in the buy zone, you could see maybe a D1 entry right over here. Would I take that? Oh, I want to see confirmations first. If I would have, I'm not really like, for me, JPCHF, it's not something that I particularly like trading all the time. But if I see confirmation, then yeah, for sure. But right now, it looks like it's just bouncing off the daily pivot, so no divergence yet at the current moment. Yeah, DJ looks like it's trying to fall again. So that's currently what I'm looking at for Forex side. S&P 500. I don't know if I'm gonna be day trading this today. I don't want it to be. For Nasdaq 100. I don't like where it's doing right now, so I don't know if I'll be day trading that too. Nor the S&P 500. I'm already in a swing trade on the S&P 500, so I don't want to add more risk on that swing trade where I could just trade a different instrument like US 30, Dow Jones, or the VIX. So, and plus, like, it's only up 26 points, almost 4%. So that's kind of a thing where, like, it's up to me if I really want to trade this, if I want to trade this. So with the Dow Jones, literally, it's completely up to me. It just comes down to like, which one looks better for you. So we do have some divergence on the Dow Jones. S&P 500, we do have actually no divergence. I just barely need divergence on it. So that will be like, oh hey, so S&P 500 doesn't have any divergence. But in the last 30 days, Dow Jones has been making a new high, a new daily high almost every single day. It is oversold on the intraday time frames though on Dow Jones. But it's very, very strong because of the 30 companies that it has in the index. So we'll see. We'll see if he tries squeezing up today. I know the S&P 500 has kind of a looks like it's the Bollinger Bands are starting to squeeze in. Nasdaq 100. The only thing I don't like about this is it's swapping. And it just looks choppy. Like it was much choppier for me last night. Like I was looking for a swing trade because I really like the higher time frames on these indices. But I do like how the RSI TL is like doing that right now. I like how the MACD is starting to, go into summer. So we'll see. We'll watch this. If we were off a level, that would be awesome. Yeah, I mean, that's what it is. Time is at 8:50, so we got 15 minutes into the bell. I mean, this thing could definitely continue going higher today, so we'll watch it because of that. But I'm not a big fan on trading, because yesterday it was just choppy. I didn't like how choppy it was. Even though I traded it short, I would prefer something more clean. It's funny that how the Nasdaq was weaker than everything in the market. The tech sector was much weaker. So that's telling me, like, if I'm trying to buy something, the Nasdaq isn't something where I should buy. I should buy it with a different index. So that was my plan for the swing trade on S&P 500. The S&P 500 has been really strong lately. The swing trade idea was really good. So that's why I took it. But for buying it, it's just hard on the Nasdaq, just because it's been weaker than normal than the other indices. So I don't like that personally. But we'll still watch it. Yeah, it looks like on the 15-minute we can see maybe a squeeze on the S&P. Nasdaq, not so much. But it could go for a squeeze for the upside possibly. Dow Jones, really not so much. So S&P 500 looks like it's a squeeze. Could be a squeeze again. Actually the Dow Jones is actually squeezing up, so see momentum for it. Yeah. Who knows? Level that I will be looking at for my target will probably be right over here, because price action has failed to continue going higher from here. So that will be my level to take it off from. Where's this wick? Alright, so yeah, that'll be my level. But I don't know, I'm not really liking what it's doing right now. Maybe I could try going for a opening trade, but I would want to see enough risk reward, which I don't think I will see that. So we'll watch it still though. And look how that MACD is squeezing right now. Still in bullish conditions though. reason why I'm more interested in trading the Dow Jones is because it's been really strong lately. It's been stronger than all the other indexes. Like I think for the last probably this whole month, it's been doing much better than all the other indices. That's why I'm more interested in trading it long today, and not trading the S&P 500 since I'm already in a swing trade on that already. So I'm just writing my daily trading plan. So important, like you have to have kind of a daily plan on what you're trying to do on Forex and everything. Just more professional that way. Like you know exactly what you're doing, and if it's not on your plan, then don't do it. Because it shows you, hey, maybe I'm chasing a trade, or maybe I'm doing something stupid that I shouldn't be doing. Alright. Okay, so looks like GBJPY is starting to fell again. Again. So we'll see what we do there. Maybe we're just gonna retrace and then maybe continue going higher. We'll see. GF looks like it's still so weak right now. We'll see if it starts forming. I mean, you have some slight divergence here, but I would definitely want to see more confirmation for that. And that's some alerts, so I don't forget about these. It's so cold out here in Oklahoma. It's freaking freezing. I would get some coffee, but I'm gonna take some heavy pre-workout today, so I would want to sleep tonight. The Dow Jones, I think I'm just gonna actually just gonna see if I can trade this down deviation, but I may have to go fractional on that. I mean 5, so I can at least get 2R on this trade. And 2R is not too bad. I'm not really looking to trade a lot. I mean, yesterday was a really good day for me. Like even after, like I took another short on NASDAQ, and you know I ended up with being like, you know, from the end of the stream I ended up with you know about being 0.30% up, and now with all my trades that I took, you know, from the, you know, that push toward the downside, I made literally 1%. So with this current trade, I'm almost up about 2% for the week. So I'm chilling. I don't really have to, you know, push the limits a little bit. So I think I'll just stick to one ST. I'm trading the future side, so I'm swing trading the future side on it just because this swing trade could definitely be for a couple of days. So whenever I swing trade a future contract, provides me the opportunity of not getting these 10 swap fees, and it has pretty good spread. The short side, I don't know. Everyone would really want to trade it short today. If it is gonna fail, I'm gonna trade the VIX, which in turn I have to definitely see what the VIX is doing right now. VIX, what you doing, bro? It's doing what it wants. So, you know, if the S&P continues going higher, you know, the VIX will continue going lower. So, if, you know, today if the indices fell, start weakening, then I'll definitely use this as, you know, like even a hedge for my swing trade. That's the cool thing about trading VIX. I could use this as a hedge on the swing trade that I'm still at. And even though it's risk-free, I can still take opportunity of the volatility on the intraday for the upside. So right now, I mean, the 50 is air, so it'll definitely have to be a trade on the 1 minute. Probably not based on my scalping system. Actually, it can turn be based on my scalping system, possibly. Market opens in about 1 minute, 19 seconds, 18 seconds, 17, 16, 15. Let's go. Let's do this. market has opened right now. Bing, bing, bing. Should get that bell. Where's that bell? Should get that bell whenever the market opens. Bing, 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 bing. Alright, so it looks like it's pushing hard today. On the open. A little bit higher. A little bit.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Oops. These are the magic keys. Input.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.
Here we're failing.
Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a
Looks like we're failing right now.
reason why we lose.
Maybe a intraday scalp.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always
TJ looks like it's
Why do I,
maybe wanting to continue higher. Maybe. Divergence on that GF, but I'm not gonna take that. You can see the MACD looks like it's strong, but for me, I'm not taking that shit. That's a better trade. Vix, what you doing?
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are?
You said thoughts on being long.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Let's squeeze. It's ready to squeeze right over here.
Baby, why do I?
So I'm in 4 gold.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
You know, I don't even, for the people who trade gold consistently, I don't even know what's wrong with it. I mean, gold has been doing crazy shit lately. For me, like, there's a reason why I haven't traded gold for over a year and a half now. It's because of this COVID thing. There's a reason why I literally stopped trading gold. I wouldn't stop trading gold because I couldn't trade it. Like, you know, gold was literally my Nasdaq 100 back then. I literally traded it almost every single day. market is just starting to shoot down. But yeah, I think that it's ready for kind of a bullish sentiment. Is it ready? Is it ready like right away? Who knows? But I do think that it's ready for a good buy opportunity, but not yet. Looks like the bears are so strong right now at the current moment. We could hold support toward the daily right over here. $200 right over here, but we'll see. I do have gold. I mean, I sold gold like the majority of my, like, you know, I guess gold from like right over here, around right over here. Around August, I sold most of my gold right over here. So.
We are dreaming in the dark.
Right, sorry, I'm too focused on this. So we're seeing weakness right now. So we'll see what we do here. Like I said again, I'm not inclined to shorting it just because I'm in a trade right now with it. Yeah, I mean, we broke through the 50 right now. It could definitely continue going lower. If that happens, I'm probably going long in the VIX. Yeah. I don't know. So I'm still in my swing trade. So we'll see what we do here. If we break through this regression line, it's probably going to continue going lower right over here. So I would want to get out at 3598.2. And then if it starts trying to go up, then I'm probably going to leave. I can probably just re-enter on it. Which is, it's not really for me, like I don't really mind doing that. But I want to see if this pattern continues where, you know, it starts selling off and then it finally, you know, reverses itself. So we just broke through that line in the 1 minute, so I'm closing my swing trade right now, and then I'll re-enter that swing trade once I see more confirmation on it. But if we break, if we break through that level, like I can see it just going down.
Over the
ready for a squeeze. So if you can squeeze totally the upside or downside. Dow Jones looks more bullish, which makes sense. Nasdaq is really strong for the short side. Yeah, the VIX looks bullish. I don't see no interest for me, so I'm not trading the VIX yet. Okay, now we're sinking a mini reversal. Yeah, we're seeing some momentum now. I'm confused why it's not working.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
JPY looks like we're getting strength right over here. You have an upshift that happened right over here. MACD is starting to become really bullish. TL bounce right over here. No interest for me yet at the current moment.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere.
Alright,
This is your dawn, this is your break.
something's wrong with my MT4. What's wrong with you, MT4? Alright, so we're looking bullish right now. I'm gonna go long on Dow Jones. Once I see it break through that box.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
Serenity? Is that your question? I'm not trading the Ace-Fix system, brother. If I was trading the Ace-Fix system, I would be following that system's toward according to the rules. Not the system at all. I trade various systems according to different market instruments that I trade. They're not selling off right now. So what that means is maybe if you see a kind of a higher low or maybe rejection off 850 right over here. GJ looks like it's so bullish right now. Maybe we can escape the highs, previous highs right over here.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down. For a minute,
It looks like a shift counter right over here. I don't know if it closed the shift candle.
honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head. And
But, you know, that could be something telling you, hey, maybe it wants to go up.
honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Breaking out between these previous kind of highs right over here. MACD still looks kind of bullish on it. So definitely get to push higher today. But there's no entries for me yet. It just looks really choppy to me on like the structural side. So eventually if it breaks through toward this, you know, these highs and then pulls back, then I would enter there.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone.
Looks like it's pulling back right now. Dow Jones looks a little bit weaker than S&P right now.
That you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
actually for my swing trade. Once I see more 50-minute confirmation. But right now I'm not seeing any confirmation on 50-minute. So I may get into kind of a little kind of not really the best entry on that swing trade again, but we'll see.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear.
It's been like less than 30 minutes since the market has opened.
With a rose and a gun, feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no, hold on, don't let go, running, running, no, keep running.
Getting set up, buddy. Sorry. Okay, so Dow Jones looks bullish again. So my entries are already set.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
It's really bullish on the S&P. I like it. I like how we just broke through all these levels right here on the 1 minute. MACD on Dow Jones bullish. RSI TL bullish. Like it's still in sell zone. It's because it's a noise suppression mic, so everything will be really quiet. But I'll turn the music down a little bit. Bro, what are you doing? Alright, so, yeah. Entries are already set. I will enter within value of 2R execution today. Not trying to swing the fences or anything like that. So that usually just happens, you know, all the time. Reversal, and then a continuation toward the upside. It's just psychology of traders. Oh, it's going down. Sell. Oh crap. It's a good buy. Buy it. But hey, at least I have a buffer for today. For today's profits, I already made about 0.5% on that swing trade. So, allows me to kind of enter that swing trade again with smaller risk, with the amount of, I guess you would say, trade risk. So, you know, I'll have less points of risk to enter. So, for me, I'll be able to make bigger returns, bigger risk to reward on that trade. So not only do I have a buffer in case I, you know, accumulate some losses, but as well as I have, you know, an opportunity to get it into the S&P 500 with a bigger risk to reward. I'm still waiting for more confirmations on the 15-minute for the swing trade on to get back into that swing trade. So we're just waiting right now. We just waiting. Feel alive. We're just waiting right now. It's consolidating between the high of day. It's pretty fine. And okay, so I'm in already. I'm closing half of my position soon at 1R. Closing. Close at 1R. Quick and easy like that. Look at that breakout. Clean breakout right there. Sweet and easy. Alright, actually, fuck. I'm gonna get in right now on my swing trade. I missed that. Actually, I didn't miss that entry. I want to see I missed that entry. Stop loss would be about, what, 3599, 3599.7. $3,599. Looks like it's falling right now. Bro, what you doing? Dun, dun, dun. This is annoying. I don't know why this stupid keyboard isn't working anymore. Because I have... I risk much less on that trade, on that swing trade. I am debating if I should add more risk onto that trade. My risk to reward is about 2 to 1 on it. I mean, whether I like it or not, at the end of the 2R, I mean, it is 2R, so I'm risking about 0.5%. No, I'll keep it at that risk. It's low risk. I mean, I already have more of a bigger buffer now, so it's fine with that. I'm fine with that. Checking out that pivot. entered. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Excuse me. So I haven't gotten stopped out on that trade yet, just because I have I put my spread in a wider stop on that. Now we have some bearish div on top right over here. Actually, not yet. Not yet. But I haven't gotten stopped out on that yet. The thing with this system is, you know, you have to keep hitting it, just because of the boxes. So I haven't gotten stopped out yet. I was about to. This wick almost literally, like, it touched my stop loss. So I'm surprised it didn't stop me out there. Okay, now I got stop out on that.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires
I'm entering again right there.
heart of fire.
Actually,
Set my heart afire.
not yet. Yeah, I'm not entering yet. What stopped me is that wick. I was about to, that wick turned me off.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within. Aesthetics ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
And we have a level to trade it off from. But not really a significant level. Yeah, pull back toward the 50. Looks like it rejected off that pivot. Can we just have that downshift? In turn with my scalping system, I can't short it right now. But that'll be going against my swing trade, which I'm not looking. It's not something that I want to do right now, but I can scalp it if I want to, toward the short side. Especially as the MACD starts going below here, I can definitely scalp it. But, you know, just sticking to my plan today. Just looking for longs. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go to get some pizza. Get some breakfast. Black Friday sales going on right now too. Very good. Actually, I'm gonna wait to get my pizza. I'm seeing a push right over here that I like. TLR side cross right there. Let's see what. MACD starting to cross to spring. It's rejecting. Still in the downshift. Hopefully it doesn't. It's making lower highs right over here. Okay, so we'll see what that does. I'm gonna go and get some food. Be right back. S&P just pushed up on my swing trade. Yeah, S&P fucking pushed enormously. It's good for me though. I'm back like at literally into profit on that. MACD's crossing. RSI and TL crossed. About to enter on this trade. Still waiting though for confirmation. and of that extended FB.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in.
I'm gonna get some pizza. Hold on, it's doing its thing. No. Just pushing up. Are you kidding me? That's interesting. Bang, bang. What the MACD is doing is really interesting. You bounce off that zero line, went into winter, cross into spring, and then just straight up summer. It's like a strong bullish sentiment signal.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now.
It's pulling back now.
There's no room for doubt.
Still rejecting off that box. And that level that I marked up. S&P 500 is just soaring up to the upside. Dow Jones is trying to, so let's see. See if it falls through. Breaking through that level. Can we break through that level? Let's go, let's go. Nope. Come on. Break through that level and pivot. No, you want to. Yeah, I'm around 0.40% of profit in my swing trade already. So literally 1 hour already. Yeah, literally like almost actually. No, fuck, my bad. Half an hour already. So no, wait, I'm tripping. 1 hour already. Yeah, so 1 hour already on that swing trade. My target is 2 hour. That's freaking insane. Within like less than 30 minutes of execution, already up 1 execution hour. Ooh, that push. I'm entering soon. In a minute. Very soon. I'm gonna keep my hand on the keyboard. Eat. Voila. I'm gonna eat and put my hand on the keyboard. I got 20 seconds on that close. I want that close to be bullish like that, just like that. Next candle I can enter if I want, if it remains bullish. Preferably with very no wicks, like less wicks. Like that, just like that. And I entered on that. Let's see if we break through that high. Let's go. Break through that previous high. No bueno. It failed. So my stop is right over here. Let me put that right over here. Actually, like right here. Yeah, for this trade, I'm only going to get about half an execution hour. Well, on a trade, it'll be 1 execution hour. On my execution risk, it'll be about half an hour. but I may get out a little bit early if I don't see a continuation of this move. Because logically speaking, this move should continue going higher. MACD, liquid 50. It's bouncing off that similar level, off that 50. We are in the upshift. We broke through that diversion level. So logically speaking, you know, it should continue going higher. Now, if it doesn't, if it fails to break through toward that high, then we're probably going to continue going lower. And if that's the case, if we fail to break toward that high, then I will want to get out anyways. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's failing to do so. If we close bearish on the next candle, then I'm getting out. Good thing is I'm still green for the day because of my buffers on my swing trade and in the swing trade that I'm in right now on S&P 500. So I like my stop on that S&P 500 trade. So I'm between those swing trades, I'm out right now. I'll re-enter again once I see a close of this level. But with those two swing trades, between those two swing trades, and not including the losses, I'm up about almost 1% for the day. So that's still pretty good. So I've incurred 2 losses, so 2R. And each of the 2Rs I've risked about 0.18 for the first risk, and then 0.20, actually 0.25 for the second risk. So that is like what, like 34%. I'm down 34% of the day, but between those 30 between my 2 swing trades, I'm still green about 0.70% of the day. So it's still failing at the highs, so I'll enter again if I see a rejection off that high. But I mean, everything looks bullish to me still, but we'll see. S&P 500, we're still bullish on it. Yeah, we're about almost toward our take profit, about 1 hour toward a profit, half an hour toward a profit level. So still pretty good. So we're still up about, like I said again, plus 70% for the day, around plus 70% for the day. So, thing with this system, you don't risk a lot. It adds up whenever you're entering in several trades, but you know, you can only take small losses on it. So that's my swing trade right now at the current moment on the S&P 500. So I'll enter again once I see more confirmation. I'm not like, you know, scratching it because I do think this thing can continue going higher. It's just a bit choppy right now, which is usual. So we'll wait for, you know, a little bit more confirmation. But other than that, that's pretty much it for today's stream. Yeah, I gotta get ready for the gym, which is about an hour and a half, and I gotta do some work. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for everyone for joining in the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. CST. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that. As well as, you know, here in SFX, we're doing a Black Friday sale, 30% off on store-wide, anything you want, or clothes, or apparel, you know, or courses, or educational courses and stuff like that. It's gonna be amazing. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and follow me on Instagram, alright?
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but